Welcome to our tutorial on how to download your data on Messenger on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open messenger.com on your computer and locate your profile photo in the corner. Click on your profile photo to proceed. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Safety section within Messenger. Click on it to access the privacy settings. Within the Privacy and Safety menu, find and select end-to-end encrypted chats to ensure the security of your data. Now click on Secure Storage to manage and download your stored data securely. Locate and click on Download Secure Storage Data to initiate the download process of your Messenger data. When prompted, click on Download File and enter your Facebook password for verification and security purposes. Finally, click on Download to start the download process. Please be patient as it may take several minutes to prepare your download file. By following these steps, you can easily download your data on Messenger on your PC. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Enjoy accessing and managing your Messenger data securely.